Hi, welcome to Call Me When It's Ready. Today we're making barbecue chicken and a jalapeno and cheddar pasta, and don't think I have any veggies, but we'll see what happens. Let's go to the kitchen, see what's going on. Okay, we're going to do something a little different, being that it's nice out here. We're going to queue these things up, so as soon as these things decide to calm down and be ready, and then we'll put the chicken on. So we'll be back when that happens. Yeah, as you see, we got the chicken up here, and everything. You can have more if you have a bigger family, or what have you. But there it goes, and so we're going to let that do this thing, and then we'll get the barbecue sauce and stuff ready here shortly. And there's the pasta that we're going to be making with it. And then, yes, I know it's in a box, but what can you do at this time right now? But there's that. We'll get that going. Also, we have over here, we have the barbecue sauce that's mixed in with the marinade. And yes, I know it's chicken, but it hasn't been in the danger zone at all since I got it out. So no worries there. And also, then it'll be cooking off anyways. So we'll see when we get to the basting part of the chicken. Okay. Okay, we can let them sit a little bit longer. Open it. Oops, wrong way. Okay. And so much for that. So when we start to get to really getting good and everything, we'll come back. Okay, then we got to, on one side we've got the barbecue sauce going. And then we're of course going to flip it over, but I'm going to let this, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for here? I don't know. You can say marble on there, except it's not really marble. Yeah, they do it baked on there. There it is. So when that's done and we get the finished product, I'll show you guys. Okay, be back. I almost forgot. So got the pasta, the jalapeno cheddar pasta stuff going. It's pretty much done. And that thing. I had a little bit more cheese that I had in there because it wasn't cheesy enough for me, but that's me. And then also I threw in some. What do I got in here? Orange, yellow, and green bell peppers in there, just to give it a liven up. And as I said before, and when I get the finished product on the plate, when I get it plated up, I will let everybody see it. Okay, see you then. And there we have it. And the chicken came out better than I was anticipating, which was I'm happy with. But there we go. I'll probably be putting the recipe, not much of a recipe, but on how to do this and everything up with when I post this video. But I hope you enjoyed everything. Try it out, give it a try, and everything. I'll get the names for the mesquite marinade that I marinated in, and also with some other stuff that I put in with the marinade. So you'll know how to marinate it. This has been marinating since last Wednesday. Matter of fact, it is Monday. It is Quarantine Monday day, so happy Quarantine Monday. Anyways, and I'll get all that stuff, and then I'll put it up on the video while the video is going, so you'll know what's going on. Either that, or I'll put it after the video's over, after I get done here. So, hope you enjoy, my lovelies. That thing. So, we'll see you next time on Call Me When It's Ready. Take it easy. Also, don't forget to go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the like on this video. And then make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when more videos come out. And everything. So, hope you enjoy. Good cooking. We'll see you next time.